Mark all emails as read in Gmail in 2021. In 2021, that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is go to this go to your Gmail account, and then what you have to do is select whatever email you want to mark as read, and select all emails, and select that you want to mark as read, and I select that I select all these emails. So what you want to do is click on here you can see the third three dots in the top right corner, and in the uh, left side of this third dots you can see the email logo like a structure. You have to click on it, and then when you click on it, here you can see 21 marked as read, and this is process that how you can mark any emails as read. So that's the video that how you can mark Gmail in mark any of your emails in the Gmail. So if you love this type of tech tutorials, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and also like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.